In this video, I'm going to give you a demonstration as to how you can add your business credit card to your Xero account. Watching for the demonstration now.
So we're going to be in your front page on Xero. You may have already added your business bank account as shown here in the demo account. There may also be a savings account in there. What we're going to do is we're going to click on Accounting, Bank Accounts. Once we're in this page, then we're going to click Add Bank Account. We're then going to search for the credit card provider. So Capital on Tap is my one. That's quite a popular one. Click in there. You'll see the process is almost identical to setting up a bank account. So the next page you come to will be a login and connect accounts page. If you click on that, it's then going to take you into a login page, put in your account details, and that's going to mean your account is then linked to Xero. Really straightforward. Cool. Once you're done, you'll see on your Xero page you'll have a Capital on account linked, and you'll be able to start reconciling transactions a bit like your bank account. And once the account's been linked, you'll see then, if you go into your accounting and then balance sheet, you'll be able to see that your credit card account has been added, and it should come under creditors amounts falling due within 1 year, so short-term creditors.
If you found this video useful, if so, you're going to love this next one. Here's where I talk about how you can easily fix an issue where you manually import a credit card statement. Watch the video now.